Hi there. For this first session in subtraction, the basic idea will be for us to see what it is our students currently know about subtraction and to have that conversation. So, the key question is simply this: what do you know about subtraction? I would suggest that you pose this question and give your students a minute or so of just some private think time to think about what it is they know about subtraction. Then, go ahead and use the Power Teach Switch strategy. So with this strategy, the idea is that students are partnered up and they each get a certain amount of time to do the talking. Okay, so this really encourages our kids to both participate in that partnership. All right, so when we ask the students, what do you know about subtraction? What we will do is we'll make sure they're partnered up, okay, in learning lines on the carpet, or perhaps you've partnered them in another way, so that when I say teach, the students will respond, okay. For the first 30 seconds, partner A, or the first student, will go ahead and share what it is they know about subtraction with their partner. When that 30 seconds is up, the teacher will say, switch, and the students will say, switch. And with that, partner B will go ahead and share everything they know about subtraction in 30 seconds. Okay? Now, if you were to say, okay, I want to give each of my students 1 minute to share what they know, that's fine. I think what's important is you don't want to have a lot of downtime. So try 30 seconds, and I think what you'll find is that might be enough for them to share what they know. Remind them and model for them that if partner A can't fill that 30 seconds, then they simply need to sit there and wait until the teacher says switch and they say switch. Okay? Students have pairs shared. Come back together as a whole group, and on your chart paper put the word subtraction in the center bubble, and out from that record everything it is they can tell you about subtraction. You may get an example for subtraction. Maybe a student will say 10 minus 3 equals 7, and with that go ahead and write that down and say, okay, we've got an example of subtraction. What else can you tell me about subtraction? Some students might say, well, it's when we take away. Record that. Record anything it is they know about subtraction. At this point, don't try to tell them everything they should know about subtraction, but just solicit their responses. Okay? Thank you, and I hope that was helpful.